you make a feathered hat. So you do a straight line. It's your turn. Good. If you did it, say honey. I'll be right back. Honey. Great. Now, do another straight line. It's not that perfect, but I'm okay with that. And if you're okay with that, I didn't do my very best, but I'm okay with that. So, I'm going to be right back. Honey. Good. Now, we get another paper. Now, do a straight line, another straight line. I'm going to get the scissors. Honey. Great job. Good job. Now, got another piece of paper. And I'll be right back. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make a feather with another feather, then another feather. Honey, actually, you can go. Honey. Thanks. So now you take scissors. And now you cut. I'm done with that side. And you can rip it out if you mess up. You want to do one. It's okay. You can do one. This is how you just do it. Now, if you want one, you just cut it all out. And then you cut it again. And then you'll have your pen. Start. There. If it looks like this, it's honey.
No 60. Wow.
Honey. Now, we need tape for this now. Now grab your two things. Grab your two things. Grab your two things. So, the thing is that, I'll be right back. Now, you cut it out. When it looks like this, you say honey. Honey. Okay. I'm here. Honey. Good. Now, get another piece of paper, and you're going to do it again. Does this look the same? Come here. No! I'll do my best. This is my best work. Now you measure. First you tape it. Get tape. So, tape. Got tape. The other side now. Tape. There. It looks like this. Then that's ready. Now, you measure. You measure your head. Let's see. Let's see. No. Then grab it. And next, next, you tape again. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so do it again. If you mess up, just do it again. So, measure. Did it? No. Tape the other side. And when you flip this, you're ready. You're all ready. Okay. Now you're going to grab the feather. And now you're going to write a little line in the middle. There. And when you're done, you're going to tape the feather on. Just like this. Now.
Snobby little shiver.
And when you're done, there's your queen
You're all
hat.
wet. You're all
Bye. There's your quail hat. Bye. That was fun. Bye.